Hello everyone. Today we will continue to analyze and design Apex connection. Open IdeaStatica, click on connection. Select the beam connection, beam connection, and change the material. Bowl we use 20 and grade 6.8. And design code AISC 316. Create new project. Change the section or raster. Change the section. HN. And still grade it okay. And yeah, it's correct right now. Click on the last beam, change the alpha 9.47. This is the raw angle, and we can change the minus. And for the right beam, change the direction 9.47. Complete. Click on the steel hole. We change the width and the depth to 1000 and 200. Yes, this one is the same. 200, 1000. Okay. Click on the add operation, add stiffener plate, and click on the plate. Change it to the B1, on member B1. Okay, and try the distance 1010, 1100. Yeah, it's correct. And for the left side, we do the same. Click on the stiffener, right click and copy, and change the member on it is member B2. Yeah, everything is correct right now. Change the plate. Click on the plate. The top we extend it to 100. You can optimize it later. Just input and run analysis. And bottom $300. Okay, complete. And click on the bow portion. Tie it 100. No. 60. 40. Yes, that's correct. And the next row minus 100. Okay, and at the bottom we use minus 100. $400. No. Positive. Okay, 300. Okay. Now continue to the load. How to apply load? We apply the shear. The shear is right click, open load analysis view, and input the shear 11.4. Yes. that's correct. And the moment is 141.4. Yeah, correct. And action 4 41.5. Yeah, correct. Now everything is okay. We complete for the geometry and apply load. And now we have to check the directional load. The directional load is applied in this direction, not in the clockwise direction. Okay, let's change to the minor. Okay, so at the top in compression and at the bottom in tension, we should add the ball at the tension first. Okay, now I add a new row. Okay, minor 120. Okay, and you can run IC and design. Yes, this is the analysis design result, and you can optimize it. The bowl, yeah, I want to check the bowl material is correct or not. No, it's not correct. I don't know why we correct it again, but it not change. We change it to 600. For more detail, you check in the website for the gear strength and ultimate strength of bowl grade. We use bowl grade 6.8. Okay, and seal, and come back to design and calculate this again. Now it's 80.8. Yeah, you can check for the strength and equivalent stress. Equivalent stress less than 275 is okay. Yeah, it is the tension phase and compression phase. Plastic strain and contact bowl. See here the tension, so you can optimize the bowl at the top, mesh and deform. Come back to design. We want to optimize the bowl at the top by okay, you can delete one row and run analysis design again. Okay, everything is working fine. Continue to report. Click on the record background and source section. Yeah, check the design code and still great. And the bowl, yeah, it is important to check SU diameter and bowl strength is correct, everything correct. And you can import it to the refresh again and import it to the PDF file. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.